I thought my old MacBook Pro was just too old. In fact, a simple €40 upgrade was all it took to get it back running like new again. This is my old Intel MacBook Pro from way back in 2018. I've upgraded the OS 7 times all the way from High Sierra to Sequoia, used it for everything from accounts to video editing, and it's never missed a beat. About a year ago the battery died, but I carried on using it plugged in as if it were a desktop. Lately though, it had begun to feel really slow. I just assumed that this was because of old age, or maybe macOS Sequoia was more resource hungry, and kept on using it. Until one day I decided to run Geekbench just to see how slow it really was compared to my newer Apple Silicon Macs. Now what surprised me when I saw the result wasn't that it was a lot slower than my M series Macs, it was that it was also slower than all of the other 13-inch 2018 MacBook Pros on the Geekbench database. In fact, it was only about half the speed, pulling a pathetic 671 single-core and 2490 multi-core. What many people, including me, don't realize is that when your Mac detects a dead battery, the SMC or System Management Controller deliberately limits the clock speed of the processor to prevent unexpected shutdowns. Under intensive workloads, the Mac can pull more power than the charger alone can supply, so it relies on the battery as a backup power source. If the battery's not there, or if it's dead, it limits the processor speed to about 0.8 GHz. This isn't just the case for Intel Macs, it's the same with M series Macs too. So I picked up a replacement battery on Amazon for about €40. It arrived the next day and it took about an hour to replace, thanks to Apple's very strong adhesive. After replacing it, it was time to run Geekbench again. And just look at the difference. The Mac was back to its old self and running perfectly again just like it used to. So if you have an old Mac that you've kept using through the years and it suddenly feels like it's running slow, don't just blame the new operating system and don't just assume it's too old. Check on the battery, and if it says service recommended, swapping it out might be all that's needed to give your old MacBook a new lease of life.